In 1996, a new painkiller arrived in America. It was called OxyContin. The company behind it promoted the drug as a major breakthrough for pain treatment. Doctors were told it could help patients suffering from back injuries, chronic pain, and long-term medical conditions. Many physicians believed they were helping people live better lives. Prescriptions began rising across the country. Clinics prescribed it. Hospitals prescribed it. Family doctors prescribed it. Soon, millions of Americans were taking the drug. But as the years passed, a different story started to emerge. Patients who began with a legitimate prescription were reporting signs of dependence. Some found themselves needing higher doses. Others struggled when trying to stop. Behind the scenes, reports of misuse and addiction continued to grow. Internal company documents later revealed concerns that abuse of the drug was becoming widespread, yet sales kept climbing. The medication generated billions of dollars and became one of the company's most successful products. While executives celebrated record revenues, many communities were facing a growing crisis. Families watched loved ones become dependent. Emergency responders were called more frequently. Hospitals saw increasing numbers of overdose cases. The problem spread from small towns to major cities. By the mid-2000s, government investigations were closing in. Questions were raised about how the drug had been marketed and whether its risks had been fully disclosed. Then came a turning point. In 2007, Purdue Pharma and several company executives pleaded guilty to misleading regulators and the public about the addiction risks associated with OxyContin. The settlement made headlines across America. But by then, the damage had already reached millions of lives. What began as a medical breakthrough had become one of the most controversial pharmaceutical scandals in modern history. A story that raised a difficult question. What happens when a product designed to relieve pain becomes the center of a national crisis?